Here's a great deal on a 2004 Ford F-150. This two-door, three-passenger truck has not yet reached the 50,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.